We have a question that we need to solve by using substitution. Y is equivalent to 3 power x, or otherwise solve 9 to the power of x plus 1 minus 3 power x is equals to 3x plus 3 minus 3. The first thing to do is to make 9 to the base of 3, so that will be 3. 9 is 3 to the power of 2, x plus 1 minus 3 to the power of x, which is equivalent to 3x plus 3 minus 3. The next step is to open the brackets, so that is 3, 2 power x plus 2 times 1 is 2 minus 3 to the power of x is equals to 3x plus 3 minus 3. The next step, I want this to come to this side. I want to equate this equation to 0, so I want this to cross over to this side. Cross over to this particular side. So this is what is going to happen. So this will be 3, 2 power x plus 2 minus 3 power x is equivalent to 3x plus 3 minus 3. So I want this to come to this side, so this is 3, 2 power x plus 2 minus 3 power x. When this comes to this side, it becomes negative power x plus 3. When this comes to this side, negative 3 crosses over to the other side, it becomes positive, and what remains on the other side is 0. Is equivalent to 0. The next thing to do is to break this and this. So I have said 3, just to remind you, 3 power 2x plus 2. If I break this, this is the same as 3 power x times 3 power x times 3 power 2. 3 power 2. I think that is clear by now. So this is 3 power x dot 3 power x. What is 3 power 2? It becomes 9. Comes to 9. So that is how we normally break those indices. So this is 3 power x dot 3 power x dot 3 power 2 minus 3 power x minus 3 power x times 3 power 3 plus 3 is equals to 0. Is equivalent to 0. So at this point I can say let 3 power x be a certain letter y. Therefore, or in fact I was told in the equation, substitute y is equals to 3 power x or otherwise. So let's substitute what we were given. So where we have 3x in the equation, we substitute with y. So this is y times y. So this is y times this is also y. What is 3 power 2? 9. Minus, what is this? Y. Minus, what is that? Y. What is 3 power 3 times? You also respect the sign. 3 power 3 is 27 plus 3 is equals to 0. So I have substituted that. So let's work it out. Let's work that out. Y times y is y squared times 9. That becomes to 9y squared. So I've solved this. I've solved that one. Y times y is y squared times 9y squared minus y, as you can see, minus 27 times y minus 27y plus 3 is equivalent to 0. So this is 9y squared minus y minus 27y. That becomes to minus 28y plus 3 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation which you need to solve using the methods for solving quadratic formula, factorization, completing square method, and the rest. So I'm not going to solve that sum because I'm aware that you know how to solve quadratic equation. So if you solve this equation quadratically, you will discover that the value of y is 3, or the value of y is a third. The value of y is 3, or not a third but 1 over 9, or 1 over 9. So if you solve it quadratically, you discover that those are the values. So what do? We substitute this in what we were given. We had said, or rather we were given that let y be 3 power x. That is what we had. Let y be 3 power x. Let y be 3 power x. So we just simply substitute that. So this is how we are going to substitute it. 3 power x is equals to y, but my first value of y is 3. Remember, there 3 is the same as 3 power 1. The bases are the same. So what do? I just equate the powers. X is 1, x is 1, or 3 to the power of x is equals to, what is y? 1 over 9. 1 over 9. 1 over 9 in factors form. Find out the factors of this. Then this will be 3 power x is equals to 1 over 3 power 2. 9 is the same as 3 power 2. 3 power 2 in index form, it will be 3 power negative 2. Negative indices. 3 power negative 2. So in other words, we have 3 power x is equals to 3 power negative 2. The bases are the same, 3, 3. What do? We equate the power. So x is equals to negative 2. So x had two answers. X is 1 or x is negative 2.